Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, trip computer, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.